Hi, this video is about cancelling an order and how to do it. Okay?
Yeah, so we've mentioned cancelling orders quite a lot throughout the course. You must watch this video. It's very important that you do it correctly. So please do pay close attention.
So we recognise that this here was an add-on item, so we know it's a failed order. So all you're going to click on is on the left side. This is actually the eBay order ID. So we're going to click on there. And we're actually already logged into eBay. This makes it a lot easier. If you're not, you just need to quickly log in. And then you're going to take the person's user ID, copy it, and then you're going to go to click on all orders. And then we're going to paste it in here. Oh, okay, so you're going to be searching by username. Oops, go on. And then I'm going to search. And it's going to come up with the order. So all we're going to do now, before we're actually going to go ahead and cancel it, we're just going to send them a message. And we do need a response from them. The message, first I'm going to show you how to send the person a message. So we're going to press contact buyer.
Nice and simple.
Yeah. Yeah, there's not much to say in between here, is there? So what we want to do is we just want to give them the option of what's going to happen next. So we're going to actually copy and paste the message. Now this message, I'm not going to read it out, but you can read it from here. This is going to be in a template for you.
Yeah, which will be found in the extras right at the bottom of the course. This is just going to make it easy for you guys. Just really have to copy and paste things.
Yeah.
But to briefly summarise, it's basically saying that it's undeliverable, it's been damaged in transit, and we can't say that it's out of stock. Always bear that in mind.
Yeah.
It's been damaged in transit, so it's undeliverable, and you can either basically wait up for 90 days to receive another.
Because it's the last one in stock, so we've delisted it as well.
Or we can give them a full refund. The reason why we say up to 90 days is because they're never going to say, yeah, I'll wait.
Yeah, and we want them to say cancellation or a refund. But the odd one have said, oh, we'll wait. And what we'll do then, we will then schedule to check it about once a week, because they do actually sometimes.
They usually do come back and stuff.
Yeah, but I know this is an add-on item in this case, so we kind of don't want that to happen. But again, we're just sort of letting the customer know that, okay, it's still not in stock, and they usually choose to cancel it anyway.
We'll take our chances.
Yeah. So I'm going to send this message now. So I'm going to click send message. Because we do actually need to do that. So there's a live example. And then we're now going to assume the person's come back and said, okay, I'd like to cancel the order, please. So the quickest way of doing that, say we're back on easync again, we've received the message, or you can do it on eBay, you take the user ID, but I just want to get to the user ID quickly. So I'm just going to click on there again. But of course, when you see the messages in your messages part, so you click on here, you see receive a message, there's the user ID in there as well. So again, we're going to click on the copy and paste that. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Right.
And then we're going to go to cancelling the order. Now, as Matt said just then, when we're cancelling order, never ever click out of stock. Some of us actually did at the beginning. And if you put out of stock, it actually creates defects on the account.
You get an instant defect from eBay. eBay really don't like it. To be honest, I'm not really sure why they're so uptight about it.
Yeah.
But they are. And so the reason, their reason being is they don't want people doing all these listings and then people buying all these products and then never actually getting the order.
Yeah,
so it does make sense, but I don't understand why they're as tight as they are.
Yeah, we thought they'd have a bit more leniency, and we found out quickly we can't click it because some people started having problems with their account because they were just clicking that, because it's fair enough. That's what the reason was.
That's the reason is, but we
so
can't do that.
What we do is we're going to, in this case, we've asked them to choose whether to wait for the item to be back in stock or to cancel the order. So we cancel the order. So get a refund.
The other reason, if you really got to cancel the order, you got to do it now. You don't have time to wait for them to reply and all that. You can just put something was wrong with the buyer's delivery address,
or if there's a genuine problem with the delivery address, which does happen.
And basically, what will happen then is you're good, you're cancelled. The buyer might reach out and be like, I didn't, why is there something wrong with the delivery address?
Yeah.
You just simply say, it was damaged in transit, so it wasn't so much the address which was the problem, but unfortunately it's the most relevant option that I could choose.
Yeah, so
done.
To sum up, never click this bit. That's
never,
why I've
ever,
geared all this
ever.
towards not clicking that. So these two are absolutely fine. You don't get a defect on the account, and usually because you're giving the customer an option, they're not going to complain or anything. The odd time they will, and again, reach out to them, give them good customer service. Now this one is an add-on item, so these are actually quite rare, and because we're constantly delisting the items under £7, you won't get many of them. The one you'll get quite a lot of is actual out of stock items on Amazon. So if they ever do choose the option to wait, there are times it comes back in stock. I've had it where it's come back in stock a few days later, and I'm going, brilliant. Okay, now I can send the item out to the customer.
It does happen, yeah.
There are a few times when that happens, but often they'll choose the cancellation option, and we just press buy cancel the order, and then I'd click continue, and then just click accept after that. But that's how you cancel an order.
That's how you cancel an order. The only reason why we're not doing this is because they haven't replied to us.
Yeah, we've got to wait for the response first.
Cool. Okay, guys, make sure you do take that in, especially about the do not ever put that is out of stock. I know I've said it before. Well, we said it several times in this video, but never, ever, ever.
Yeah.
Cool. All right then. Well, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.